The notification sound on your Galaxy A25 might cease to function due to software bugs, unintentional changes in sound settings, or the activation of the Do Not Disturb mode. If you're facing this issue, the first step is to verify the notification volume. Ensuring the notification volume isn't set to a low level or muted can help you understand why you're not hearing the notifications. To do this, press the volume up button on the side of your device, then tap on the additional settings icon that appears. Adjust the notification volume slider to your desired level. If this doesn't resolve the issue, then you need to reboot your phone. A restart can help clear any temporary software bugs that might be causing the notification sound to malfunction. So, press and hold the volume down and power buttons. When the power menu appears, tap Restart and then confirm your decision to reboot your phone. After the reboot, check to see if the problem is resolved. If not, then you need to reset the app preferences on your device. This can help solve issues caused by changes in settings, permissions, or data restrictions that might be affecting your app's functionality. To do this, open Settings and then scroll all the way down. Tap Apps and then tap the More Options icon at the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences and tap Reset to confirm. If this doesn't resolve the problem, then you need to reset all settings. This can solve issues caused by changes in system settings that might be affecting your device's functionality. To do this, launch Settings again and scroll all the way down. Find and tap General Management and select Reset. Tap Reset All Settings and tap Reset Settings to confirm. Tap Reset and wait until your device completes the reset. In most cases, this should be enough to fix a problem like this. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.